Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to draw a line in Penpot. Right? So to draw a line, you'd go ahead and press on P on your keyboard or click on the path option. Okay? So press P for a shortcut. Okay, select the start point. Now the end point. Double click and then hit on enter to finalize. Here's one. Okay. Now the other option, again, the path, start point, end point, maybe right here. You could go ahead and continue, just click and click. Hit on enter to finalize. Okay. Now another option we have here, if you want to draw a straight line, okay, click on path and hold shift on your keyboard. There you go. And just drag. Okay, drag your mouse, click on it again, hit on enter to finalize. Now, if you want to draw curved lines, okay, you can go ahead and use the freehand or curve tool. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one, select path. Now go ahead and press shift plus C on your keyboard. Again, shift plus C. Now, the start point, end point right here. There you go. Click on one section, maybe this area. Just bend it, okay? Click and hold. There you go. And if you want to as well, you go ahead and make a line like this one. And then select one point, okay, from the line, maybe this area right here. And then move it, okay, like so. Just play around, all right? And there you have it. That is how you draw a line in Penpot. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.